Hello everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at the Tietoc 6-inch mini electric chainsaw, a compact and efficient tool designed for effortless tree trimming and wood cutting. Let's explore its design, features, performance, and see how it stands out for your gardening needs. The Tietoc mini chainsaw is thoughtfully designed to combine portability with power. Key features include 6-inch guide bar, ideal for pruning branches and cutting small logs, making it perfect for garden maintenance. 880-watt high-power motor. Equipped with a robust motor and a manganese steel chain, it delivers impressive cutting performance, allowing you to cut through 6-inch branches effortlessly. Lightweight and one-handed operation, weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Auto oiler system features an automatic chain lubrication system, ensuring smoother cutting and reduced wear. Safety features includes a security lock to prevent accidental activation and safety baffles to prevent wood splashing, enhancing user safety during operation. The 880-watt high-power motor, combined with the manganese steel chain and auto oiler system, provides an efficient cutting experience, enabling the chainsaw to slice through branches smoothly. With every good, there's bound to be some bad things, and it goes the same for every product as well. For the chainsaw, let's have a look at the pros first. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry and operate, even for extended periods. Powerful cutting ability, efficiently cuts through small to medium-sized branches and logs. Enhanced safety, features like the security lock and safety baffles provide added protection during use. Now it's time for the cons. Limited to smaller tasks, not suitable for cutting larger trees or heavy-duty lumber work. Battery life. While designed for efficiency, heavy use may require additional charging cycles. Customers had left some feedback regarding the chainsaw. Considering its design, functionality, and performance, we rate the Tietoc's 6-inch mini electric chainsaw 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a convenient and efficient tool for regular garden maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and DIY tips. Happy gardening!